So the Hoiho here are really special. They're incredibly rare, known as the rarest penguin species. There's only about 1,500 of them left in the world.
Around the Otago Peninsula, it has gone from 450 pairs down to about 60 breeding pairs now, and that is a decline that we're really concerned about.
Sadly, it's a 72% decline in numbers since 2008.
Because of this decline, all the stakeholders involved with wanting to see Hoiho survive into the future have developed a strategy, ka weka takohaka mo te Hoiho. One of the elements of that is actually providing them good habitat on land.
The disease that we're actually starting to see now as well, that's starting to affect these birds. The different types of kai that they're having, the effects on the pepe that they're having. One of the things that we in a partnership that we can do to be able to, one, help that community, penguin community, to be able to work in their mahi and to be able to do the job, to be able to get a thriving community back again.
The Jobs for Nature is bringing real work for people back into looking after the environment, looking after the health of our species. It's really good to see there's opportunities for people to, in a working career, looking after our special species.
Thanks to Jobs for Nature, this year the Trust was able to employ additional rangers to help out with the season. That has enabled us to sort of look after the birds a lot more closely and across a lot wider range. We're looking for sick, injured or underweight birds, whether they're from tiny chicks all the way to the adults. We wouldn't be able to do the work ourselves. It's a massive collaboration between the Trust, DOC, Penguin Place and the Wildlife Hospital.
The Jobs for Nature programs enabled us to hire more staff and get more of this work done for our taonga species, the Hoiho. We're then able to train these guys in monitoring and rehab work and just general penguin maintenance, and it means that they can hopefully pursue a career in these birds and help them in the future.
Jobs for Nature benefits the hauhora for both the environment and people. They cannot be separate. When our environment is well, so are our people.
Look, if you're out on one of those remote beaches in the South Island and you get to see this half-metre tall yellow-eyed penguin playing in the surf on its way home from a foraging trip to sea, or hear them calling up in the bushes, it just gives you a real sense of place, a sense of spirit of the South Island.